Hello to all of you around the world. I'm Jerry Akubo, the National Technical Director, Interpol NCB Abuja, Nigeria. The throwaway culture is turning the sea into a graveyard. Plastics have been found to choke marine wildlife and has also entered the ocean food chain, exposing marine life to toxic chemicals that can end up in the food on our plates. Without intervention soon, the amount of marine pollution littering the world's ocean is expected to triple within a decade. Here, I will be offering you foresights on how the use of technologies could detect marine crime pollution, which perhaps will clear or better still reduce marine crime pollution to the barest minimum. Leveraging on the recent Interpol global operation, codenamed Operation 30 Days at Sea.
Once you press this home button now, all options, everything is aborted. Drone is returning to home location.
A variety of sensing systems are now available for detecting marine pollution crime, including AIS and satellite imageries, side-looking airborne radars, electro-optical infrared cameras, infrared, ultraviolet line scanners, night vision cameras, sulfur sensors, and vessel tracking softwares.
The maximum it could go 500 meters above sea level.
Among these promising technologies, I will focus on the usage of modern drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, remotely piloted aircraft systems to detect marine pollution crime as it applies to waste management, selected aspects of related oil spills, and pollution in general. Drone offers quick, easy, and cost-effective aerial imaging, as well as sensors and monitoring capabilities. Unlike traditional survey techniques, drones do not require substantial manpower and can overcome common access issues. Drones have good flexibilities, high efficiency, low cost and damage, low risk, and excellent monitoring capability with widespread coverage. In the past, workers would have to put their life on the line trying to locate damages and detect leaks onshore and offshore. Using technologies make it easier and risk-free. Advantages of using drone technologies over humans is that drones can provide real-time data by offering a wider scope of information to the authority. This technology hugely reduces the human resource cost in addition to providing valuable data and alerts, which can lead to indirect cost savings and improved efficiency and high risk aversion. Drones will be programmed with intelligence data to decide where to go. The data will include the protected marine areas, the pollution hotspots, the weather, so that automatically it can distinguish each context. Contexts include direct discharge, land runoffs, ship pollution emission, atmospheric pollution, deep sea mining, acidification, eutrophication, plastic debris, toxics, and underwater noise. Let me give you an instance. Once the drone detects an oil spill area, the drone will analyze its behavior based on whether it is located in a protected marine hotspot, the spread diameter, the nature, etc. It will use the context to give you details of the time of occurrence, the GPS coordinates, the location, and any other relevant data that will help the authority to decide the course of action in terms of pollution. Depending on the number of hotspots which need to be monitored, one drone can cover over 10,000 square kilometers. They fly at over 300 to 500 meters above sea levels with conventional technologies, it is very difficult and expensive to determine what a vessel is burning while she is underway. A drone with emission sensors on board can overcome that because the drone has a programmed data chaining system which greatly influences the stability, reliability, and accuracy of the information it transmits. However, vessel and large container ship has a speed of 28 knots. Unfortunately, most of the patrol craft in the maritime domain cannot reach this level. So, it is difficult to grasp the overall situation and to carry out a continuous and effective monitoring. Drone can effectively supplement the shortage of the patrol craft in speed and efficiency. Drone can get to the scene immediately and fly above the object area with slow speed for the authority to examine the situation. With this advantage, the drones can reach the dangerous area that most people and craft cannot get in. It can improve the successful rate of pollution monitoring on our high sea. Like the case of oil spilling and discharge of offshore transportation and marine petroleum exploitation, it is important to real-timely monitor the oil spill. The first few minutes detecting of occurrences is the best chance to prevent the oil spread and hazard. So, deployment of drones with airborne multispectral imaging radar to monitor the import routines and petroleum exploitation areas can detect the sea surface even in the night. The buoy is the main method to ensure safety navigation on the sea. There are lots of important lighthouses, light beacon locating isolated islands along the coastal areas. It is difficult to maintenance for the too much points, long lines, scatter, traffic, inconvenience, etc. So with drones, the buoy can be quick patrolled and examined and be reported the state of buoys timely and effectively, avoiding the aimless patrol. Knowing that crude oil is highly volatile, it is necessary to take countermeasures for vaporized gas in such an accident. With drones surveillance, the monitoring team can see it early enough and will profile countermeasures before patrol boats approach the scene. Drone can detect the entire diameter of oil leakage spilled from damaged parts of the vessels quicker, and less oil treatment chemical, which serves as dispersing agent, will be used to curtail the spread, thereby saving the sea. Drones can safely go where humans can't, improving safety, reducing cost, speeding up processes, and making access challenges a breeze. Drones can be flown into high up or hazardous areas to check the structural integrity of a vessel or of a loaded cargo. Whereas previously, this high-risk job was done by a crew member. Now, a drone can be flown to the inspection point. Finally, drones play a critical component in the future of detecting maritime crime pollution, in increasing its effectiveness, efficiency, and safety. And before we know it, the maritime industry will be altered forever. Thank you for listening. Accept my warmest regards.